Hello children. So today we are going to start with the exercises of lesson number 5, solids, liquids and gases. So first one is tick the correct answer. Number 1, brick is an example of solid, liquid, gas, ice. So brick means ink. So it is example of solid. So A, solid is the correct answer. Second, which of the following is an example of gas? Book, milk, juice, oxygen. So the correct answer is D, oxygen. Third, which of the following can flow easily? Water, eraser, book, chair. So obviously water is a liquid, so it will flow easily. So A, water is the correct answer. Fourth, when you keep water in a freezer, it changes into steam, water vapor, ice, milk. So answer will be ice. Fifth, the process of changing ice into water on heating is called freezing, condensation, evaporation, melting. So answer will be D, melting. Now let's move on to the next question. It is fill in the blanks with the correct words. You are provided with some words and you have to fill in the correct answer. Number 1, dash is the process in which gas changes into liquid on cooling. So answer will be condensation. Number 2, dash and stone are examples of solids. So here in the option we have chair, so it is solid. So here we will write chair. Third, milk and juice are dash. So they are liquids. Fourth, carbon dioxide and oxygen are dash, gases. Fifth, liquids can dash easily and can be poured. So liquids can flow easily. C, give two examples of each of the following. Give two examples of each of the following. First is solids. So here I have given pencil and book as example of solids. Now second, we have to give two examples of liquids. So water and milk are the two examples of liquids. Third is two examples of gases. Oxygen, O-X-Y-G-E-N, oxygen. Nitrogen, N-I-T-R-O-G-E-N, nitrogen. Now next is answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, what are solids? Give examples. Things that have a fixed shape and size and do not flow are called solids. Example, table, chair, pen, pencil, book, etc. वो सारी चीज़ें जिसका फिक्स्ड शेप होता है, साइज होता है and that do not flow, they are called as solids. Question number 2, what is condensation? Answer will be the process in which a gas changes into liquid on cooling is called condensation. वो प्रोसेस जिसमें गैस चेंज हो रहा है लिक्विड में कूल करने पे, that is called condensation. Question number 3 is, what is evaporation? Answer, the process in which a liquid changes into gas on heating is called evaporation. वो प्रोसेस जिसमें लिक्विड चेंज हो रहा है गैस में, that process is known as evaporation. Question number 4, how do the three forms of water change from one form to another? Answer, the three forms of water can change from one form to another either by heating or cooling. The four processes involved in change of form are evaporation, condensation, melting and freezing. Now next question is question number 5. What are the differences among solids, liquids and gases? Answer, solids have a fixed shape. Solids का fixed shape होता है. Liquids do not have a fixed shape because they take the shape of container in which they are kept. Gases also do not have a fixed shape. Second difference, solids have a fixed size. This is the pencil. It has a fixed size whether it is a big or small. liquids also have a fixed size. Gases do not have a fixed size. Third difference, solids do not flow. Solids बहते नहीं हैं. Solids do not flow. Liquids flow easily. Gases also flow. So these are the three differences between solids, liquids and gases. Now let's move ahead. Let's solve, let's do. You have to observe the pictures below and write S for solids and L for liquids in the boxes provided. So if it is a solid, you have to write S, and if it is a liquid, we have to write L. So let's look at the first one. It is water. So water is liquid. Second is cold drink. It is also liquid. We will write L. Third one is shoes. So this is solid, S. Next is tea. Yes, it is liquid, L. Sharpener, that is used by you and me, all of us, that is solid, so S. Sixth one, desk, the bench on which you sit, so that is solid, so we will write S here. Now next we have let's think and answer, that is HOTS question. Here it is given, Suman drew following figure in her notebook, but she forgot to label it. Label the figure using the words given below. So here you can see that 4 words are given here: evaporation, melting, condensation and freezing. Here is the diagram, okay, and you have to see which state of matter is changing into which state and write the process name. So here in the first one, ice is changing, this arrows shows that this is converted into water, so this process is known as melting, melting. Now in the second one, this water is changing into steam, means gas. So when water changes into gas, it is evaporation. In the next, this gas or steam is again changing into water or liquid, so this process is called condensation. In the next, water is changing into ice. Water changes into ice. So this process is known as freezing. Now next is let's acquire or value based question. Here a paragraph will be given and you have to find out the correct answer from the options provided. So let's read the paragraph first. Here said, Amin wished to make water from ice. So he started heating ice cubes on gas stove. His mother asked him to put ice cubes in the sun instead. She said, we should use sun's energy whenever and wherever we can. This saves fuel and creates no pollution. So, what value do you acquire from Amin's mother? Now let's look at the 4 options. Wise use of sun's energy, B is wise use of ice, C is wise use of gas stove, and D wise use of water. So here we can see that in the paragraph, mother is instructing to use sun's energy to melt ice. So answer will be wise use of sun's energy. Okay, so we should also use sun's energy wherever we can. This saves the fuel. Okay, and this also saves our environment from being polluted. So children, here we have discussed the objective and the subjective questions of solids, liquids and gases. So go through it and understand it. Thank you.